Artivoxa just hit 5,000 subscribers, and to celebrate, we're releasing something never offered before. Introducing the Houdini Creator Pack. 12 of our most in-depth tutorials, bundled together for the first time, plus one exclusive course. Everything covering fluids, particles, NPM, Vex, and motion design. The exact techniques used on real campaigns for beauty and luxury brands. And the exclusive course is something you won't find anywhere else. A complete walkthrough on creating a procedural magnetic sand effect in Houdini around a fragrance bottle, including the full 3D model and the complete texture set. This course lives in this pack only, and it will never be sold anywhere else. Everything comes with full project files. You download it all to your own computer, videos and scenes, and it's yours forever. No subscription, no streaming, no platform to log into. Watch offline on any device whenever you want. Bought separately, the tutorials are worth nearly 3 times the price. For the launch, you get the entire pack. All 12 tutorials plus the exclusive course for the lowest price it will ever be. This offer runs for 10 days only. After that, the price goes up and the launch price will never return. Link is in the description. Get the pack and start building the kind of Houdini work that attracts serious clients.